Hey creative souls! Today we're turning everyday items into amazing DIY projects that are both functional and super cute. Let's get crafting. Materials needed: fresh citrus fruits like oranges or lemons, candle wax, wicks, a knife, and a spoon. Step-by-step process. First, cut the fruit in half carefully, then, scoop out the fruit flesh completely. Next, insert the wick in the center. Melt the candle wax and pour it into the peel. Let it cool and solidify. Finally, trim the wick. Pro tip: these smell amazing and look incredibly Instagram-worthy. Materials needed: an old picture frame, white cardstock or fabric, scissors, and dry erase markers. Creation steps: remove the glass from the frame, cut the cardstock to the frame size, insert it into the frame. Now you can write and erase freely. Styling suggestion: customize with different fabric colors. Alright, let's dive into making some bottle cap magnets. Here's what you'll need: clean bottle caps, small photos or decorative paper, resin or strong glue, magnets, and scissors. First, clean the bottle caps thoroughly. Then, cut the photos or paper to fit the size of the cap. Next, insert the photo or paper into the cap. Seal it with resin to keep everything in place. Attach a magnet to the back of the cap. Finally, let it dry completely. And here's a fun hack: these make perfect personalized gift ideas. Now let's create a travel jewelry organizer. The materials you'll need are an old sunglasses case, felt, scissors, glue, and small buttons or snaps if you'd like. Start by cleaning the sunglasses case. Then cut the felt to line the interior of the case. Create small compartments with the felt and glue them securely in place. You can add optional snap dividers for extra organization. Here's a travel tip: this organizer will keep your jewelry tangle-free and protected. Next up, wine cork succulent planters. Gather used wine corks, small succulents, a drill with a small bit, potting soil, and optionally, a magnet or stand. First, clean the wine corks thoroughly. Then, use the drill to create a small hole in the center. Carefully hollow out a small cavity. Fill it with succulent potting soil and plant the tiny succulent. You can add a magnet to the back, or use a small stand. Pro tip: these make adorable mini planters for your desk or fridge. And there you have it, 5 amazing upcycling projects that are super easy and fun. So, which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below.